In today's video, we will learn how to change eyeglass color in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into the Photoshop software. First, zoom in the picture and masking the glass. Press Shift Ctrl on the keyboard and hit the Enter button. Then create a new layer and go to Gradient Tools. I will go Basic option and select Middle Gradient Color. Then increase the opacity value like 35 and hit the OK button. Now I will draw the line. You will see the color has changed. I'll change another color here like blue color. Change the color here, I will choose blue color and hit the OK button and draw the line. To get more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next videos reach out.